Hi guys, this is my review of the Phoenix ROM for Galaxy Note 2 GTN7100. So as you can see, this is the Android 4.1.2, that's the Jelly Bean, and this is the Phoenix ROM version 3. So hit link 1 from the description for the installation method, and link 2 will lead you to the ROM thread so you can download the ROM from there. So guys, coming on to the review, while flashing this ROM you get to choose between lots of apps and mods in the ROM installer. Beside every contact you have this call button, so you can directly press this button to call that contact. You also have this exit menu on your stock browser. Okay, here you have it. You also have this multi-window control with this ROM. So I'll come back to it within a minute. You also have STC wallpapers with this ROM. Okay, there you have it. You also have TouchWiz rotation. If you enable the screen rotation, you can just enable rotation with this launch, TouchWiz launcher as well. Yep, there you see it. No issues. Some modes have been added, like the Bravia engine, and this multi-window tray is transparent. You can do all these selections under your, this Aroma installer. It's about, preferences. What mods do you want to install, what you don't want to install, so you can do that. Everything is safe, so no need to worry about that. So guys, right from the lock screen you have this ink effect with this ROM, but it works with your S Pen only. You don't have the ink effect with your finger. But I'm not sure, if you choose the transparent mode in the ROM installer, you might get the ink effect with your finger also. I'm not sure about it, but I've read it in the ROM thread on XDA. So you can go ahead and check the ROM thread. That's the link number 2. So everything is working fine. You don't have any issues with this ROM. The Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, everything is working fine. All the functions, the S Pen functions, working. Taking the screenshot. Okay, there you have it. The S Note is working as well. Okay, here you go. Yep. Working fine. All the features that you get with the Note 2, like the multi-window, air view, and the motion controls. Just a second. Okay, it's working. Yep, it's working fine. No issues. Even the air view works. Just a second. Okay, there you have it. The AV is working fine. So guys, as I've already mentioned, that you get to choose between lots of apps in the Roma installer. So let's go ahead and see what apps do we get. You also have the Jelly Bean camera, works fine, no issues. Yep. Okay, there you have it. Okay, there's the pic. You also have the Jelly Bean clock, and this is the widget for the Jelly Bean clock. You also have Google Earth, but guys, this Google Earth crashes once you open up the app. It cannot load. So I suggest you not to select the Google Earth in the Roma installer. You can manually install it from the Play Store. You also have the Jelly Bean gallery, the multi-window control. So what this does is, first time you open it, you need to grant the super user permissions. It allows you to add additional apps on your multi-window tray. Say for example, I don't have any camera app on the multi-window. Suppose I want to add it. Hit add application, hit this plus button, and you can select the app. Well, now it's done. Let's go back, hit kill it, and now you go back. Now you long press the back button. You will see the camera button. Yeah. Now you can open up camera in one. Sorry, just a second. Now it's been added. Now you can open camera in one window, and S Note in another. Okay, see, it's working. You have Paper Artist, works fine, no issues. Yep, there it goes. You also have this S Planner, works fine. S Voice works fine as well. You also have this Google Now, works fine. Okay, there you have it. You also can customize these toggles on your notification bar. Under menu settings, you have this in this display menu. You have this notification panel settings, and here you have this toggles. You can swap any one of it. For example, you can swap this multi-window with this sync toggle, and driving mode with your all share cast, smart stay enable disable with your blocking mode, S-beam, NFC. So now you can see I have the smart stay, driving mode, and the sync. You have this S Pen board switcher. So what it does is, for S Pen you can use a different keyboard, and for normal typing you can use a different keyboard. As you can see, by default you have it looks like this. And say for example, now I need to change my keyboard to Android keyboard and enable switcher service. Okay, let me insert my, now go back, I insert my S Pen and now open up the keyboard now. Okay, there you see, that's the normal Samsung keyboard. And once I pull out the S Pen, okay, now see the keyboard, it's the AOSP keyboard. Okay, so that's a cool feature. You also get this different keyboard with this ROM with all these symbols on top. If you long press that button, you'll get that respective symbol. For example, you have this dollar symbol for this F key. If you press it, okay, you have it. You have this @ symbol on this S button. If you long press it, you'll get it. Yep, there you go. And you can select between these three symbols, any one of it. So other than that, guys, everything is working fine. All the motion controls and everything that you get with the Note 2 works perfect. All the functions, the call quality and everything is superb. And this ROM is really fast, really smooth, and the battery life is also pretty decent. I've been continuously using this ROM since the last night, and the battery is still, I have 62%. So this is the benchmark score for this ROM. And all the apps that you get with this ROM works perfect, except this Google Earth, it crashes. So other than that, everything is fine. I definitely suggest you to try this ROM. So that's all, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay subscribed. I'll be uploading more ROM reviews. Bye bye now and have a good day.